Morning. Morning. You comfortable, Diz? You comfortable there? Oh, and somebody else is awake now. So this is usually what happens. Dizzy crawls up in between the pillows to get comfortable. Charlie just goes up at the bottom of the bed.
Good doggy that way.
Time to get up, get this van back to normal and get some coffee on the go. I don't think Dizzy's going to be helping much. Cover him up, babe.
He wants to go back to bed, doesn't he?
So the van is back to normal. We've got the kettle on there, boiling some water for coffees. A bit of roast, bread and toast. So we're just having that with some peanut butter and seed mix.
Our second hike of Slovakia, and we've brought the doggies with us. We didn't take them yesterday because there's signs up saying no dogs, but when we got to the top, or on our way up to the top, we seen a couple of doggies, so we were like, right, okay, well let's take them today. So we've just brought them along with us. They're on the lead, so it's fine, and we're going to some waterfalls. It's always better with the dogs.
Oh, Charlie. Oh no, mucky puppy. Look at Charlie. Looks like he's got a pair of socks on. He loves getting all mucky. Don't you, Charlie?
I hope there is a waterfall at the end of this walk. We made it to the waterfall! We made it to the waterfall!
Which is pretty cool. It's freezing actually.
Yeah, we just took our shoes and our hiking boots off and our socks to cool our feet down. You could literally put them in for about 6 seconds. Very refreshing.
Icy cold, but it's pretty spectacular.
It's better than we thought. We thought it was just going to be like a very small waterfall because there wasn't much water in the lake yesterday, but it's quite good. It's
quite nice. A lot better in winter obviously because water will be cascading over all these rocks, but it's nice. Hike back down to the town.
Might even stop for a little cheeky lunchtime beer.
Well, €1 a pint, I think we will.
Busy, busy, busy. Got the train. We've already done quite a few hours today and we thought hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes, a bit too much. So yeah, got this nice little train, like €1 each as well. Brilliant. And now we're right outside the bar to get a euro pint.
Look at that. The boys have got a treat. Quite tired after their big hike. And we've run out of dog food.
And they had no dog food in the shop at all. So I had to get some like luncheon meat type thing, like a tin of a tin of that rice and peas. Yeah,
There's yours in there.
Here's up.
There you go, Charlie.
They'll get through that much better than the dog food. The first stuff like that's dog food any day.
They're not even going to take a breath, are they? They're not even going to take a breath.
It's not bad, is it? So peaceful. So we've just done this little walk from the van. It was about 50 minutes and we were debating whether to do it because it's getting late in the day, but we kind of run it, got here quite quick for this lovely view over the national park. The national park is not sure.
Nadawiski.
Bit south of the high Tatras as you come into Slovakia. We're going to go over there in a minute. There's just a sheer sort of drop down here. Views over that way, views over this way. Yeah, definitely worth the little sweaty uphill walk to get here.
We should get back soon because it's about, well, it's an hour before sunsets. We walked through a pine forest, so once the sun's gone down it starts getting really dark.
It was quite dark on the way. So.
Yeah, and there are bears and wolves in the area, and I swear to God I keep hearing
That's your stomach rumbling.
Brought the torch this time though, so prepared. But we're prepared. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.